Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to go to Lowe's and take a look at the clearance section just to see what they have there. I usually like to take a look around and see what's discounted, looking for perennials mostly and occasionally some annuals. Okay, so we're going to take a walk to the back of the store, which is where the clearance racks usually are, at the back of the garden center area. And we're going to see what's happening. Looks like some clearance signs and several racks. Oh my goodness, looks like they have a lot. Wow, that looks like about 10 racks of clearance. So we're going to take a look around and see what looks good, what kind of perennials, and especially what kind of name brand plants they have here. Okay, and here's a little snapshot of the clearance sign that tells you the prices. So anything under $2 is clearance down to $1. $2 to $4.99 would be $2. $5 to $9.99 would be $4. $10 to $14.99 would be $7, and anything over $15 would be 50% off. Okay, the first item I see here is a Monrovia Zazu Calla Lily, $10.98 regularly, so it'd be about $7. This is a part sun annual. So it looks like it's already bloomed, but the foliage looks pretty good. You could probably overwinter this indoors. Next, we have this Rooted Brilliance brand Buddleia. It's zone 5 to 10, part sun perennial, really pretty pink bloom there. Looks like 2.5 feet high, 2.5 feet wide. And here's some information about this brand. I've never seen this Rooted Brilliance brand before. Looks like these are $26.98, so that would be half off of that price. Next, here are some Knockout Roses, which is a really good brand of rose. These are $26.98, so that would be half off that price. It's a full sun, 3 to 4 feet tall and wide, and these have some red to hot pink flowers. It's called Rad Raz. That's the variety. All right, and next I found this tiny pearl Asiatic lily. This is a perennial lily. I think it's a smaller size. It's $6.98, so it'd be $4 on clearance. These get about 12 to 14 inches tall and wide. And then I found these Monrovia blanket flower. Spin top red is the variety here. This is a perennial. Blooms spring, summer, fall. These are $12.98, so those would come down to $7. They get 12 to 18 inches tall, 18 to 24 inches wide. Looks like this also next to it was another variety called Spin Top Copper Sun. So those look really interesting. And then we have Dianthus. This is a really pretty Monrovia Odessa Orange Bling Bling Dianthus. It's a full sun perennial, 10 to 12 inches tall and wide, and this blooms in the spring. And then I found this bloomable rose color splash. Still had some of the blooms attached so I could see what it looked like. This is, I believe, $24.98, so that would be half off. It's a bicolor red and white bloom. You can see the tag here, kind of what the blooms look like. It gets 5 to 6 feet high, 2 to 4 feet wide, so that's a very large rose. Next, I found some Proven Winners Super Tunia Raspberry Rush. This is an annual part sun to sun. I was excited to find this here. This is $6.98, so that'd be take down to $4 on clearance. These get 4 to 12 inches high and 12 to 24 inches wide, and these do really well in containers. Here is a whole rack of these calla lilies. This is the Samur brand variety, Samur. These are a part sun annual, 18 to 24 inches tall by 12 to 18 inches wide. These are $20.98, so these would be half off. And then we have some rhododendrons. These are Cunningham White. And we have Nova Zembla over here. And then down below, another variety. This is English Roseum. These are a part sunflowering shrub. They like 3 to 6 hours of morning sun. And then this is a reminder that most Lowe's have an area where you can bring your used pots back to the store where the growers will reuse them. Mine happens to be over here near the clearance, so it's a rack in the back of the store, and you just bring your empty containers here so that they can be recycled and reused by the growers. Okay, well, no purchases today for me, but it was really fun seeing the variety of items you can get on clearance at Lowe's, from shrubs, perennials, annuals, and I've even found clearance stuff dating back to April when we're starting out in the growing season. So here we are in June, and there's still some really good things to purchase. One thing I will say is always check your plants to make sure that they are in good shape before purchasing. Thank you all for watching, and please hit the subscribe button and like this video for more gardening content.